Hi guys, welcome to my channel Coded. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to create Instagram post in Canva. Guys, before starting the tutorial, if you are new on my channel then please go ahead and click the subscribe button down. So let's start. So guys, open canva.com and then log in into this website using a social login like Facebook or Google. Then this is the page that you are going to see. This is the home page. Over here, you can create different types of posts or even like videos and social media posts and even print media, basically posts and all. Now let's create an Instagram post. For that, I need to click on social media over here. Then search for Instagram post. So this is the Instagram post and its size is 1080 into 1080 pixel. Let's click on it. So once we click on it, a new window will open in the browser. So it will have a blank canvas of 1080 into 1080 pixel. It's a square because as you know, Instagram posts are in square size. Then guys, if you see it is blank, it is not having any data on top of it. Now let's design one. So at the left side you have designs. Designs are basically templates. So they are the pre-made templates which we can use. There are paid one and also free one. So now let me go with free one. So I'll say something I'll create on quotes. Okay, Instagram quotes I'll do. So quote and then I'll select this. Let's select this one. So as soon as you click the template, basically the design got added in the blank canvas. Now we can change the text. So let's double click on the text and now change this. I'll say success is achieved by hard work. So this is how I edited the text. So I can change the position by the selecting and dragging it. Also, I can increase or decrease the size of the text. Similarly, I can change the font family also. And I can change the color, even give the bold italics underline to it. Then guys, we can, if you see, there is some this codes over here. So these are the elements. So let's remove this and I'll show you how we can manually add one. So I'll delete this. So now under elements, let's search for codes. QUO. Enter. Now click on graphics. So guys, if you see, we are getting different types of code elements. So the one with the pro are the paid one. For that, you need to be on Canva paid plan. Let's search for a free one. So let's select this. So you saw how we have got the same codes, but let's reduce the size. Okay. Now again, I'll select this. I'll press Ctrl C and again I'll press Ctrl V. So I've duplicated the element. Now let's change the position of it. So basically we'll flip it. So I'll click on flip over here and I'll do flip horizontal. So there you go. We have added the quote. Okay. So now this is how we can design basically Instagram post inside the Canva. Also, if you have images, then you can add those also. Just select the image and drag and drop over here, and you will be able to use it. So I'll show you one. So similarly, under elements, if you see, Let me show you. So basically you have something called as photos also. So I'll select this particular photo frame, okay, and I'll drag and drop over here. Now let's drag it properly, okay, so that whole canvas takes the frame size of the photo. Now let's add one image. So let's search for an image. So I'll say what I'll call nature. Okay. Then I'll click on photos over here. Let's add one basically free photo of the nature. So let's drag and drop. Okay. Now click on it and then again right click. Then you need to click on layer and then click on send to back. So there you go guys. Also we can change the color of this code. So now since it doesn't go exactly good with this green background, let's make it white. So let's change to white. Okay, white also doesn't go. So let's change to something else. So we'll make bluish something. Or okay, red one. Okay. Or let it be black only. Okay. So this is how we can create Instagram post in Canva. So guys, in order to download, click on share and then click on download. Over here, select the image type format as JPG or PNG. You can even download in PDF form or also you can download in GIF format or MP4. But for Instagram, you'll need a good quality image. So select PNG and then click on download. And then you can share this particular image on Instagram. So this is how you can simply create an Instagram post in Canva. So guys, if the video was helpful to you in learning how to create Instagram post, then please go ahead and click the subscribe button down. Also, please like and share this video with your friends and family members. And also remember to press the bell icon to get all notifications into my new videos. Thank you.